guys. 2025 Honda Civic Sport. Nothing too crazy done to it, but figured I'd make a little video on it. Alright guys, so that will be white sometime soon. That's going to be Type R front bumper with a lip on it. Let me not skip ahead though. Like I said, I think I said it, 25 Sport. First thing I did was debadge. Some simple stuff, you know. I like blank slate. EOFR V1. This was the last in stock for XGen website. $500 for that one. I had this other one. I don't have it on anymore because I didn't like it, but these are blacked out markers. They still reflect red when light hits them, so that's pretty cool. Clear taillights from USR Unique Style Racing. These were $371 with the LED bulbs, so that's pretty cool. I had a spoiler on here. You can kind of see it, but took it off. I think it looks a lot more mature for the car. So stock wheels, that'll change whenever warranty, so I can actually bag it. Kind of dirty back here, but try to keep some of my stuff, some of my towels. I'm gonna get like an organizer thing that you can throw in the back. Really cool, so that'll help me. What else have I done? I put a little mirror in it, Broadway. Pretty useful. If you don't have one, go get one. $20. What else have I even done? That's really it, right? Just the rear end. Just the rear end. I've done like little stuff, like put the dash mat, got some trash cans, you know. I wanted to get a cover for this, and then I want to get probably a cover for the wheel. I'm not too sure if I'll get a different wheel in the future. But other than that, guys, I mean, it's kind of all I've done so far. It would be cool to get a sunroof, but I don't think that'll happen. My plans next will be, just look at it. Just look at it. Anyway, next plans will be side skirts. I'm gonna do the I think they're V2. The more flat one, not the little like vertex kind of thing one. Probably tint it. I don't know. This is probably already legal. Anything darker than this might be the back and these might go 5, and then these I'll do like legal, which is 25, and then front cannot be tinted in Texas. So other than that, we're gonna start with the side skirts, and then we're probably gonna get a black frame too. And then ever since I put the taillights in, I kind of liked the chrome Honda now, so some more angles. So yeah, side skirts, and then we're going to do Type R front bumper with a lip. I'm thinking the can't remember the name, the Mew something lip, but I don't know if I want to do that one anymore. And then we're going to get original JDM headlights with the white amber instead of the amber right there, just to match here. And then I'm going to bag it Gonna look dope. And then that one will be static with the coilovers. So we're gonna do some bags in the future, probably not for a while. And then whenever you do the bags, that means warranty will be over. So we're also going to do probably the intake that comes out to here or whatever. Because this will all be type R so air can get through. So I'm gonna do the intake. I'll do probably not gears, but I think I'm gonna do upgraded pulleys, intake, tune, and I don't know, that might be it. Like probably a crash not a crash bar, but the strut tower brace, and then we're gonna do carbon fiber fenders on both sides. Probably gonna keep them carbon for a while, and then I'll probably wrap over it because I think I'll get sick of it. For me, guys, I don't like black hood, black roof on like other colored, cars where people try to do that. I'm picky, so I think I would leave it carbon for a while, but then probably wrap over it. If y'all have seen the carbon fiber fenders, they look cool. And they're lighter, so that would be cool. But for engine, I think that would kind of be it. Probably a carbon hood too, then. And then we'll have the Type R, the fenders. Just gotta make sure they match. Might do the mirror caps. I don't really think I will. I kind of like the OEM look. And then we'll do some chrome wheels. And then that might be it, bro. Really might be it. Gonna get the black plate. I'm thinking about unplugging that, but I feel like I'll get pulled over way too much. Plus, safety concern. Little stuff I don't like is how this is kind of showing. Might redo that in the future. But the diffuser is really easy. You just do two drills right there and then taper on the rest. Really easy install. But yeah. Tinting it would bring it next level. For sure it would look a little bit different. But yeah, those will be white. We'll have the Type R front. Gonna be dope. So that's kind of all I want to do for the engine. If I'm remembering correctly, just the pulleys, tune, intake. I don't think injectors are really I don't really need to do all that, bro. I just wanted a low power. And then the exhaust will probably stay the same. But yeah, I think that's really all I would do for the Civic. I want to keep it reliable, kind of like a daily. And then, yeah. After these two, it'll be a 350Z, 2008 GT, probably EK hatch. I want a Lexus LS430. I want a bunch, bro. I want a 370 too. Bro, that'd be crazy, huh? IS300 for sure. What else would I want right now? Kinda it. Kinda all my starter cars. Trying to think what else. Maybe a Fox body or 68 Sting, but I want my dailies, and then I want to have my drift cars. It'd be cool. And then the drift cars will be the loud ones, the dailies will be quiet. So, and then get a truck, trailer. That would be crazy, huh? Truck goes there. Everything else, right? Start taking the garage over. That's another thing I want to do. Kind of want to empty out all those boxes, turn the guest house into like a little workshop area, Get back on the eBay grinding. But yeah, guys, that's really kind of it for the Honda. Gonna definitely try to be more consistent documenting, start this new channel up. For the interior, I think that's kind of it. Like, I'm gonna get some covers. Maybe a new steering wheel in the future. Like, I don't know. Kind of keeping it, I don't want to say basic, but clean, you know? People overdo these cars all the time. See it all the time on Instagram. And it's just like, how could you sit there and think that's good? I don't know. Different tastes, you know, different mindsets and stuff, but anyways, gonna move the Honda here, try to jump it. And yeah, that's gonna conclude this episode. If you enjoyed, like, subscribe, share it around. Appreciate it.